Why 90% of Americans stay broke? Imagine this. You're working 50 hours a week, busting your ass, and still, by the end of the month, you have nothing left. You're not alone. In fact, 90% of Americans are stuck in this exact cycle. Today, we're diving deep into the shocking truth behind why most Americans stay broke, and why you might be next if you don't act fast. The Paycheck Trap. The question is, will you keep following the crowd and stay broke? Or will you take control and join the 10% who actually become wealthy? Hit that subscribe button, because in our next video, we're revealing 5 habits the rich use to get richer, that the poor will never touch.